In this short video, we'll discuss about the difference between diffusion current and drift current. Now let's learn the meaning, because I have noted that most of the students have difficulties because they don't know the meaning. So first of all, let's see the meaning. The diffusion means spreading of something more widely. And in Urdu it is called phailao. In Hindi it is called prasar or phailao. In Bengali it is called prasharan or bikiran. And from this diagram you can see that here there is a more concentration of elements, so they'll try to move away or diffuse away in different directions. So this is the diffused elements. You can also have an idea. If you have a perfume bottle and you open the cap and leave it as it is, then you know that the fragrance will spread all over. So it will spread from the high concentration area to low concentration area or no concentration area. So this is diffusion. Let's come to drift. The meaning is to move slowly, especially as a result of outside force. So this is important, that you got to have a force with no control over the direction. So although there is a force, but you cannot, or there is no control over which direction it will move unless it is channelized. And in Urdu it is called bahaw. दबाव की वजह से तब्दीली. इन हिंदी इट इज़ कॉल्ड बहाकर या उड़ाकर ले जाया जाना. एंड इन बंगाली इट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रभाव. And just to the example, you can see it is the continents, spreading of the continents. So initially the continents were joined like this, but due to various forces they kept on splitting, and now this is the shape. So this is due to the drift force. And one easy way to memorize is if you synonymize or rhyme this drift with fist. So fist means you have to apply some kind of a force. So drift always requires force. Okay, now what is a diffusion current? The diffusion current is a current in a semiconductor material caused by the diffusion of charge carriers. So this is the concentrated area where charge carriers are more concentrated, and then they are moving away to area which has lower charge or less charge. So diffusion of charge carriers, holes or electrons, occurring because of non-uniform concentration of charged particles in the semiconductor. So having learned this, I hope you can answer this MCQ. Diffusion current is due to electric field or difference in charge concentration or temperature or electrodes. So obviously we learned here that it is because of the difference in charge concentration. And again the bottle, if you keep in mind, perfume bottle. Then we come to drift current. As we discussed, drift means due to some force. It is the motion of charge carriers due to the force exerted on them by an electric field. So you can see that we have a semiconductor material or a conductor material, and if we connect it with a battery, then the negative terminals, electrons emerging from this terminal will push the electrons in the metal, and so there will be a current flow. So the current flow, conventional current flow, will be in the opposite direction, but electronic current flow is in the same direction. And again, having this knowledge, I am sure you can answer this. The drift current is due to the electric field, difference in charge, electrodes and dopants. So we just learned that it is due to electric field or force. Now the difference between the two, just to summarize, the diffusion current occurs even though there is not an electric field applied, whereas drift current depends on electric field applied. The direction of diffusion current depends on the change in carrier concentration, so it moves from higher carrier concentration to lower carrier concentration. The direction of drift current depends on the polarity of the applied field. So it will move according to the polarity of the applied field. So I hope this gives you some idea about diffusion current and drift current. Thank you.